Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the widget box on a clear surface. Remove packaging and keep screws in one spot. Once done, connect the 12V DC adapter or USB-C power and fasten the small screws lightly, so the case sits flush. Make sure to wear a static strap if components are exposed, and check the sticker for firmware version so you know whether an update is required. Begin the first boot sequence and watch the status LEDs for steady green or blinking patterns. You now log into the web UI at 192, 168, 100 or open the vendor app, enter the default admin credentials and immediately change the password to something strong. Next, set your time zone and choose network mode, DHCP for simplicity or static if you need a fixed IP. Once connected, check for firmware updates and install them. This prevents later incompatibilities. After reboot, verify connectivity by pinging the device or confirm. You finish by customizing the widget layout and saving a backup profile to local storage or the cloud, so you can restore quickly. Once configured, run core function tests for 5 to 10 minutes and watch for error codes or unusual noises. If something goes wrong, power cycle the unit first. If the issue persists, reflash the firmware using the recovery image, and only then contact support with logs and the error code. That process solves most problems quickly. Keep a note of what you tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.